Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to add or claim your address now. Sign into your Google account, open Google Maps, and search the exact street address. If nothing appears, drop a pin where the building sits. Once the pin is placed, tap the menu to add a missing place, or, if it's a business, choose Claim This Business. Provide the official name and category. This makes Google classify the listing correctly. Make sure to add accurate details so verification goes smoothly. Next, you'll fill in the details that prove the address is real and useful. Enter the exact address components, double-check the map pin position, and pick the best category. These factors influence search relevance. Add a phone number, website, photos of the storefront or mailbox, and hours. These signal legitimacy and speed up verification. Once done, review the address format so it matches postal records and local conventions, because consistency reduces rejection risk when Google evaluates your submission. Finally, request verification and finish the process. Choose the available method, often a postcard with a code, but sometimes phone, email, or instant verification, and follow the steps to submit the code. After you confirm, update any final details and monitor search results. Changes may take days. If verification fails, make targeted edits, improve photos, confirm address format, and submit a re-review. If problems continue, escalate through Google Maps Help or request support from the Google Business Profile Center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.